Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can turn a regular PC fan into a USB fan for cooling your devices like a TV box. This is a YouTube premiere and it's the first time I'm trying it, so let me know if there is something strange about it. Also, you can write a comment in the chat here. It's going to be a live chat the first time this video shows on the internet, on YouTube. We will have a live chat in here the first time the video shows, and we can talk in real time, answer your questions, and you can talk to each other if you like. Let's see how this goes. The first step is to find an old PC cooler fan that you don't need to use in your computer and just cut off the wires of the fan. You find the positive and negative terminals, the wires, usually by the colors. Red is positive, black is negative, but you might need to use a battery to find the direction. And just use some regular USB type A plug connectors. I have these for a long time. They've been sitting in a bag a long time. So this, on how it's oriented now, that's the negative, that's the positive. Normally these are flipped upside down, so just be careful when you wire them. Tilting the connector, the plug, just to make sure the wires are going in. So all I need to connect is the positive and the negative terminals, but I will put some solder also on the data terminals. Here I start with this side is the negative, that's the negative terminal. Just when you solder it, make sure the soldering iron is very hot so the solder melts properly. If you don't know how to use the soldering iron, it's pretty easy. You can just practice on some wires. Knowing how to use the soldering iron can make your life a lot easier. You can fix a lot of things. Just use fix things that use low voltage, not high voltage. So this USB is 5 volts, so that's pretty harmless, but still try to wire them correctly. So in this position, this is upside down. Actually, the terminal, I hold it here upside down, but if the thing is that the first time when I tried to wire this connector, I put it the other way around by mistake and nothing happened. The fan didn't turn on. So if you do that, it's not the end of the world. Also, it would be a good idea to use some hot glue, put it inside the connector when you assemble it like this. Just make sure that you do it exactly, that you know it's the correct polarity, because I did this with the hot glue and then I had to remove it completely. And now I'm not doing it just to be sure that I need to open it again later. As you see, the fan spins, and because this is a 12 volt fan and the USB is 5 volts, it means that the fan is spinning at a lower speed, and that means it's more silent than it usually is. And that's pretty good for me because I want to use this on an Android TV box, my K3 Pro. It gets a bit hot sometimes and I want to just cool it down. So to make that happen, I will just get some pieces of foam. You find these in usually from packages shipped from China. The thickness, I had these thicker ones, but you can have thinner ones. Just a bit of spacing you need between the support, the floor and the box, your device, and use hot glue to melt them in place. It's pretty easy, and the most important thing is that these things, they also absorb vibrations. So if there is any vibration from the fan, it will not carry on to the box, or it will not go to the support, and there will be no noise at all. This is completely silent. You can use bright colors, but it's better if you have something that is dark so that it blends more into the environment. If your TV box is black, you would want black foam if you have it, or gray. Later I used a different foam, but this was just for testing, and the height here, I didn't need it to be so high like that, and it was a problem because the box was raised too much from the bottom, and it was a bit difficult to press the power button. But except that, even these ones, they work. If you only have this, it works perfectly. See, it's very well, it's like a suspension of the car. Okay, so now it's time to test it on the TV box. Just remember that you can use this on any device that needs cooling, even a hard disk. If all you need is a USB port nearby that will power the small fan. Also, you can put it on top of the device if that's where the vent is, but on my TV box the vent is under the box, so I will just place the box on top of the fan like this, and you have to test. You can either pull air away from the box or push air inside the box. Test both ways and see which one works better for you. For me, it works better if the air is pulled out from the box. The temperature is a few degrees lower like this. And just as a note, before it was going to about 75, even sometimes 80 degrees when it was without fan in the summer. And now it doesn't go beyond 62 degrees. I've seen it even at 58, 56. So I would say around 60 degrees with the fan in the summer. Also, before, the box used to freeze sometimes, and I always suspected that it was because of heat, and I used it in these few weeks. I think it's been maybe 1 month since I made this video, since I filmed it, maybe even 2 months, I'm not sure. But it didn't freeze since installing this fan, so that's really good. And it's just a repurposed PC cooling fan, which I didn't need at all. When it's plugged into the USB port, the fan starts and it's on while the box is on. And I will need to test that just to make sure. Ideally, you plug this fan in the device that is cooling, so that when you use the device, it starts. When you don't use it, it stops. So I'm gonna test it now so you see what I'm talking about. The fan spins now, so to test it I will press the power button to shut down the box and see what the fan does. Once the box is off, the fan is off, and this is perfect. This is exactly what I need. I don't want this fan to be on all the time, just when the box is used. This is perfect. Alright. If you have any comment, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. If you didn't participate in the live chat here, if you're watching this in the premiere right now, write a comment in the chat and let me know how you find this. If you like this premiere, or if you don't like it, how you feel about it. This is the fan with the less obvious fit, the rubber fit, and this is a bit of foam that is gray. It's perfect for this. It's much better than before. There is just a little bit of space, but it's enough to make the fan work, and it's cooling properly. If you like the video, write in the live chat here if you're watching it in the premiere, and if you watch it later, let me know in the comment section below how you find this or how you want to use it. If you use it for some other devices, maybe we will have some new ideas. And subscribe, like and share this video with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye.